In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your GitHub password. Whether you've simply forgotten it or just want to change it for security reasons, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's all done smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the password reset page for GitHub. You can do this by typing GitHub password reset into your search engine, or accessing it directly through GitHub's official website. This is the starting point for resetting your password, so it's important to ensure you're on the correct page before proceeding. Once you've arrived at the password reset page, you'll need to enter some details to help identify your account. You can do this by either entering your GitHub username or the email address associated with your account. This step is crucial as it allows GitHub to know where to send your password reset information. After you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the Send Password Reset email button. This action will trigger an email to be dispatched to the address you've provided, so make sure it's an account you can access. The next step involves checking your email inbox. GitHub will send a reset link to your registered email address. Once you receive this email, look for a button or hyperlink labeled something like Reset Password and click it. This will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. If you don't see the email shortly after requesting it, don't worry. It might take a few minutes to arrive. Also, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes these automated messages can end up there instead. If the email still doesn't arrive, you can request another reset email. Now it's time to create a new password. This part is essential for your account's security, so make sure to choose a strong password. Ideally, your new password should include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and be at least 12 characters long. This variety makes it significantly harder for anyone to guess or hack into your account. Once you've decided on a new password, type it into the designated fields and commit the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your GitHub password with just a few straightforward steps. Remember to store your new password in a secure place, like a password manager, to avoid any issues in the future. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment below or share it with others who might benefit from it.